In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox crash error. An unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to come down here and search for run. In here type in app data, open up local and find your Roblox folder. You want to delete this folder and then come back here and search for run, type in temp, and in here you want to press anywhere on any of these files and then hold down Control and press A, or just select all of it and press delete. After you've done that, you want to come here and search for apps and features, open it up, search for Roblox in here, and make sure that you uninstall all of your Roblox stuff. And then once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to head over to Google and download Roblox again. When you have downloaded it again, you want to find the launcher, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK, and now the error should hopefully be fixed. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.